Did you know the only person FBI Director J. Edgar Hoover ever personally arrested was the most wanted man in America? May 1st, 1936, New Orleans. Hoover stepped out of his car and walked straight toward Alvin Karpis, the mastermind behind the most sophisticated bank robberies of the 1930s, was finally cornered. For 4 years, Karpis had outsmarted every federal agent, using bulletproof vests and machine guns like no criminal before. He planned every heist down to the minute, robbed banks across multiple states, and kidnapped millionaires for ransom. The FBI's public enemy number one had embarrassed Hoover for too long. When Hoover slapped the handcuffs on himself, it was pure theater. Karpis spent 26 years on Alcatraz, then got deported to Canada. The smartest criminal of his era, brought down by one man's ego.